In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start chat on Microsoft Teams for Mac. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams on your Mac. Once the app is open and you're signed in with your account, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation bar, where you'll see options like Activity, Teams, Calendar, and importantly for this video, Chat. Go ahead and click on Chat. This takes you to the main chat area of Microsoft Teams. Here, you'll see a list of your recent conversations on the left, and when you select one, the actual messages will appear on the right. If you're new to Teams, this list may be empty, and that's completely fine. We're about to create your very first chat. To start a brand new conversation with someone, look toward the top of the chat panel for the new chat icon. On the Mac app, this is usually represented by a small square or pencil symbol, commonly located near the top of the chat section. Move your cursor there and click the new chat icon. Once you click that, a new chat window or panel will appear. At the top, you'll see a field where you can type the name, email, or group name of the person or people you want to chat with. Start typing the first few letters of their name, and Teams will try to match it with people in your organization or contacts. When you see the right person in the suggestions, click on their name to add them to the chat. If you want to chat with more than one person at the same time, you can add multiple people to this same field before you start typing your message. This will create a group chat, which is useful for small team discussions or quick coordination. After you've selected your contact or contacts, move down to the message box at the bottom of the window. Click inside that box and start typing your message. When you're ready to send it, press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Send icon if it appears